This is 1 million pesos worth of grading card submissions. Tingnan natin ano yung mga sinend sa atin. First one is the Ultimate Sports Signatures. 6 people yan. Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Pele, Ronaldo, Neymar Jr., Wayne Rooney, all on card by Leaf, 2 of 2. I think the previous comps for this one, for a 1 of 1, is $9,900. Ultimate Sports Signatures, to 4 lang. This is 1 of 6 first sprint. Floyd Mayweather Jr., Manny Pacquiao, Pernell Whitaker, and Errol Spence. Next up is the Britney Spears 2011 Leaf Pop Century card, magenta plate. Steph Curry, Larry Bird, Magic Johnson at the back. You got Shaq, John Stockton, Isaiah Thomas. And these are all on card. Next up is the Kobe 1996 Press Pass. Last comps for this one that I saw is $1,385 back in 2024. Tim Duncan, Press Pass 1997, rookie card niya. And last comps for this one is $425. So if you guys want to send me your cards, let me know. Just DM me, message me. See you all next time. Peace.